Hello, my name is Chad Martins. I'm the mechanics teacher here at the comp. We do things a little bit different here in mechanics. It's one of the shop classes, and so evaluation can be a little bit different, and it is. And so this is a video to explain that to the students and to you, the parents.
In SCCHS mechanics, I believe that everyone falls on a spectrum. Beginner and expert spectrum. Any kind of skill that we have, whether it's drinking a cup of water or changing a tire, we all fall somewhere on this spectrum. We may be an expert at it, that would put us over here, or we may never have done before, that would put us over here. Or we could fall somewhere in the middle. In order for us to understand what exactly an expert is, we need to think about an expert and what they can or cannot do. And we discussed as a class what exactly that looks like. One of the things that an expert does is they know about the subject. They know about the skill. They can tell you about it. Another thing is that they are accurate. They can do the skill perfectly. They know what it's like to do it right. Another thing that they are is efficient. They can do it quickly and automatically without thinking. And the last thing they're able to do is they can adapt to different situations. So if we take all those four things and say that is what an expert is, I believe it is my job to help a student move from beginner or wherever they fall on the expert spectrum. So in order for us to understand how they're evaluated in mechanics at the comp, we need to go through a few evaluation guidelines. The first one we're going to look at here is the student is marked on how far, that's critical there, how far they have progressed along the steps to becoming an expert. If they move to step 1, they'll get 25 marks out of the 100 marks that they are available for the whole class. If they get to the second step, they'll also get another 25 marks. Each step includes a series of skills that need to be completed to prepare for the next step. Therefore, to complete each step, the student must prove mastery of the skills involved. They need to do it well enough that I'm confident that they can move on to the next step. And then, we have marks for each step are completed by completing the step. You do not get the marks. 25 marks for completing step 1, you get them when you have completed everything within that step. They can only be completed in the order that they come, and they're not earned until they have fully completed the step. You need to finish the step in order to get the mark.
Well, I hope that explains everything for evaluating your son or daughter in mechanics, 10, 20, or 30. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at cmartins@chinooksd.ca, or you can phone the school and I'm extension 155. And if you leave a message for me then I will be sure to get back to you. Thanks.